Welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of constantly sweeping up pet hair, dust, or daily messes, it might be time to upgrade to something smarter like the eufy L60 robot vacuum. This compact powerhouse features advanced navigation, strong suction, and a convenient self-emptying base, all wrapped in a sleek, quiet design. In this video, we'll dive into the standout features, show you how it performs on different surfaces, and help you decide if the L60 is the right fit for your smart cleaning needs. Compact design. The eufy L60 is slim, ergonomic design. Here it saved the day with its lightweight design that makes cleaning a breeze. It can easily glide under furniture and reach those hard-to-lean areas without getting stuck. Ultra-strong 5000 Pascal suction, hair, crumbs, and dust are removed easily in just one pass for cleaner floors. From whole home security to smart cleaning solutions, eufy's technology brings you expert protection and deep cleaning that's tailored to your lifestyle. Precision mapping for efficient navigation. iPath laser navigation uses advanced Lidar technology to scan rooms and create accurate maps, resulting in efficient cleaning routes around your home. Customizable AI.Map 2.0. The eufy robot vacuum L60 use the app to select specific rooms to clean, set up no-go zones, and use multi-floor mapping for homes with more than one floor. Hair detangling technology. And the need for manual hair removal from the roller brush. The self-empty station's hair detangling technology slices through hair that gets wrapped around the roller brush with ease. It creates human-first technology that enlivens the lives of everyone around you. Control with app. Automate your cleaning routine with scheduled cleanings, start a quick spot clean when needed, set no-go zones around pet areas, and monitor progress and battery life in real time. All of these features are easily accessible from your smartphone, offering you greater convenience and control. What's in the box? Eufy robot vacuum, with side brush, roller brush cover, self-empty station, with dust bag, quick start guide, and safety book. That wraps up our deep dive into the eufy L60 robot vacuum, a small but mighty helper that makes daily floor cleaning effortless. With smart mapping, auto-empty convenience, and powerful suction, it brings serious value without overwhelming your space or your budget. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.